Welcome to the Canadian Woodworking and Home Improvement website. When you open a digital issue, you'll see an instruction page on the left side of your screen. It lists the various options found on the navigation menu bar at the top right of the magazine page. Clicking on the right pointing arrow will open the video you're now watching. From here, you can also go to and view the library of subscriber-only videos. Click on the white bar on the left side of the screen to open the table of contents. It's a quick way to go to any article. You can also access the table of contents from the navigation menu bar. To access back issues of the magazine, click on the folder icon and then select the issue you want to view from the carousel. To pan through the issue, click on the right and left arrows. Other features on the menu bar enable you to print articles, share them with friends, set display preferences, do keyword searches, and get help using the digital viewer. To return to the home page, click on the Canadian Woodworking logo on the top left of the screen. You can access the subscriber videos from our homepage by clicking on Learn/Videos and then for subscribers only. Currently, there are many subscriber-only videos to choose from, with new videos being added all the time. If you aren't logged in and try to watch a video, you will receive a notice telling you the video is for subscribers only. Click on the Click Here to Log In link and log in to access your videos. Finally, you can open the digital version of the current issue by clicking on View Digital Issue. If you're not logged in, you'll only be able to view some of the issue before a subscriber-only screen pops up. It's a reminder that you're not logged in. Just click on the Click Here to Log In link to access the full issue. We're always happy to help you out, so feel free to contact us at any time.